So what we have here is a carriage light that it has a motion sensor and daylight and dark sensor, and it's quit working. It's under warranty, so I had to go get one to replace it, and going to replace it. But when you get it on the box, it shows you the easy instructions on how to replace it, which is not bad. But I'm going to show you how to do it, and this is how to replace your motion sensor porch light. And I'm Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let me see. Let's just see what's going on here. Oh, first things first. Let's make sure the power is off. So hold on there. So if you don't have a tester, the easiest way is just take a bulb. Don't come on, but you got to put it in test mode. So it's not coming on, so it's no power. We're going to take it out of there. It's pretty easy. You just see if I can zoom in here a little bit. There's a little nut right here. Take that one off. And then there's another one just like it on this side. Take that off. And now you just pull the light right out. Pull it right out, just like that. Now I didn't think that I was going to need any tools, but well, I see my ground wire here is, I got to have a screwdriver, so I got to run and get one. Stay right there, I'll be right back. Now the ground wire can be used for two different things. It's attached to this real good, so you can use it to hold it there while you're working. So I'm just going to leave that attached until I get the neutral wire. And the black is the hot. So I'm going to take that off. And even if you know the power's off, you always want to work electric and be careful not to touch the bare wires, just like you were working it hot, which is not a good idea. But if you don't have to touch the bare wire, don't touch it, because you never know when something's feeding back even through a ground wire. So be careful. And if you don't feel comfortable doing it, call a professional. So now I'm taking the neutral, which is the white wire. Off. And now I'm going to take the ground wire off. Just like that. I had it wrapped around here 2 or 3 times. So now I got it off. Now I got to put the new one. I got to put the new one on. I got to get it out of the box. And it will come with instructions. It'll come with a bag of screws and wire nuts. But I don't need any of that because I'm going to reuse all mine. And here comes the trash man. Anytime you're videotaping outside and it's nice and quiet, it won't be that way for long. and of course he sees me working over here and videotaping because he's my regular guy. So of course he's got to blow the horn. He knows what I'm doing. He knows what I'm doing. This one has an optional, which the other one did too. It's got an optional red wire. I'm not using that. I'm just going to put it up here in the top out of the way. I'm just going to put it inside the fixture up here out of the way. Not using the red wire. No, no. We're going to use the ground wire first. Just the opposite of what we did to take it off. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Stick with me till the end. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I would really appreciate it. So now when you put a ground wire on a screw, you want to go the same way that you tighten the screw so it don't undo the wire when you're tightening down the screw. So I just wrapped it around there 2 times, and I'm going to tighten it up. Okay, now I've got, the only thing I got left is the black and the white wire. I don't need the screwdriver anymore. So the white goes on the white. Put it in there. Make sure you got a good connection. Tighten it up good and tight. Take that off. Take the wire nut off. And put it up there. And you can tug on them a little bit just to make sure that they're in there good. And then just push them back in behind that plate. And now we're going to put this back on there. And now we're going to put the 2 little decorative nuts on there that holds it in place. One on that side, one on this side. And we're going to put the light bulb back in. And there you go, it's done. It is finished. Ta-da! Now just turn the breaker back on, turn your light switch back on, and you'll be good to go. So this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com bringing you another great video. Check out my other videos on my channel. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll have something wonderful for you real quick, real soon. And I'll have another one for you. Come on, watch my videos. You guys have a fantastic day. And get outside and do something. I'll talk to you later. Wow, that turned out nice. Ta-da! From the old to the new, baby.